I'm down at Northern Minnesota Metalsmiths shop. And the way I ground it is I put a tool post grinder in this little Walter Brothers planer, and it wasn't real fast for sure, but certainly did a nice job. Serial number of 133. I was doing some research on it, trying to figure out exactly how old this was. Wasn't able to match that serial number with any definitive dates, but I did find an article saying they started their serial numbers at 100. So this was the 33rd one built. I went ahead and milled the bottom legs just enough so I'd have an accurate reference point. And that turned out to be real handy grinding these side surfaces. I was able just to, because I had two accurate surfaces there, I was just able to lay that down on a set of parallels and then grind this top surface and then use that surface to locate the other side for grinding. The welding turned out pretty good. I was just a little bit shy in this area here. Didn't get welded all the way out to the edge. But I'm going to put a radius, well, this is a knife edge square shoulder right now, and I'm going to put a radius on that side of the anvil anyway. So that'll take care of that area there that's a little low. Fact is, if I decide to put this back in and finish grinding this surface, that'll take care of that. You can see the line there that's defined by the groove that I milled. I don't know if we call them mill marks or whatever, but these, I ground it dry. I didn't put any cutting fluid on it, and it ended up with some, just a little bit of a pattern, and it actually makes the top look pretty attractive that way. And this side here is, there was no porosity at all on this side of the weld. This side of the weld, there's just a slight amount of porosity, and that may be due to, I think I was losing some of my preheat by the time I got to the second side. I may put this back in and regrind this area here. It's almost the same surface as that, but you can touch it, you can hit it with your fingernail and tell it is down a little bit, and of course you can see it. This grinding operation on this planer is pretty slow, so that's the reason when I got it this far, it looked real good to me. I decided, well, I'm just going to let it go with that.
If you like solid tools and vintage machinery, check out the video on the Burl Buddy channel titled Northern Minnesota Metalsmiths Southwest Tool Shop. It's a tour of our hub shop. The Burro Buddy channel is all about gopher trapping and original metalworking projects. The kind that make you lay awake at night.